I want to talk today about ruby and garnet. They're both stones that can be found here in Nova Scotia on beach walks and on walks on the trail. I was out today and I found a sample of garnet. I want to show everyone here. This is the garnet here I found. It was on a walking trail that I was on, and if you can see the garnet, it's quite a good sized garnet. It's very waxy looking garnet. If it was cut and polished, you would be able to see the light through it, but this one's very thick right now, so you can't. You can see how waxy looking that is. Very nice piece of garnet. I have another piece here. This piece came from a beach and it's been rolled by the ocean. I found this one a while ago. You can see it's very dark red garnet. I also have some sample of ruby here. Rubies that I found on the beach. This is a one from the beach here. If you see the light, this one will catch the light. It's more crystally looking than a garnet. I have the light here, a little closer here. You can see it's very dark red, this one. But if it was cut, it would look more. You can see it's more where the light is catching it here. It would be more a lighter red. It wouldn't look so dark red. It's very dark red, this one. And I have another sample of it here. This is another one here, a ruby. This is also from the beach, a beach ruby. Again, it's very crystalline. You can see how it catches the light more so than the other one. You can see. And here's a smaller one. This one's almost see-through. This one, because it's small. You can almost see through this one. You want to bring the light over to show. Bring my light over here so we can get the light to shine through it for you. Oops, wrong spot. Oh, I won't be able to, I guess. That's too bad. I need a little flashlight or something to show. Won't be able to get it. I guess you can see a little bit there, the light coming through it. And I'm going to hold the ruby and the garnet up together. Maybe you can see the difference. This is the garnet, and this is the ruby here. This is the garnet, this is the ruby, and this is the garnet. This here is a ruby too. This is what they call a salmon ruby, and it's sort of orangey looking, orangey pinky ruby, and it's what they call salmon. The light really goes through this one. It's lighter, and it's a little thinner. A little thinner than the other ones were. This was found on the beach also. Very common on the beach, the rubies, but you can also find them on the trail. And they come up all the time through the soil. There's just constantly pushing these stones up through, so you can find them at any time. Ruby and garnet are both protection stones. Their energy is good for circulation, helping people with circulation. If they're good for love, they're good for a love stone. And that's basically all I have to say about them right now. So next time you're on your walk, look down and see if you can find something precious.